Mm-hmm. You know, you can talk.
Yeah, I just decided not to.
Anybody who's not met him yet, this is Henry. Henry is assembling a 3D printer.
Do you think we should have plugged that in first?
No.
No?
Plugging this in would be a bad idea.
Losing it.
No, I'm not.
Don't worry, the peanut gallery is going to constantly make comments.
Peanut gallery. Since when have I become a pistachio?
There we go.
Got it? Yay!
Bingo.
And then it's supposed to go back through off the bottom. Like that. Boom.
Henry is building a 3D printer. Not to make you nervous or anything, Henry, but we got 72 people watching you currently.
I don't know. And this gets put on here.
If anybody wants to know how to put together a 3D printer. Here, a little help. Got it?
Usually this doesn't flip over. I'm twisted.
Is it twisted?
It flipped.
Got it?
Ha ha ha. I think I got it. Perfect ass, I'm not even sure.
By George, I think he's got it.
Red hair and a hand-me-down robe? You must be a Weasley.
Nice.
This part is supposed to still be hanging down while this is on.
So nice that mechanical inclination runs in the family.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, I'm sure about that.
Maybe in Dad's family.
What?
I need the 31. Turn back. 31 screw, that would be
What's a 31 screw?
M4 by 16.
M4 by 16, huh?
I gave you 2 of them. Did you use them already?
Yeah, he used them on the other piece of the
Yeah, I need
assembly.
another 2.
There you go.
Thank you. Okay, so this needs to go on facing this way. Just like this. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I fucking hate this.
It's a good thing I did not choose this as a kid-friendly video.
You're lucky.
Lucky?
You feeling lucky, punk? Well, are ya?
Is that so, asshat?
It's going
Mm.
in. It's finally penetrating the bar.
What? Really? I'll say that a little louder.
It's finally penetrating the bar.
Dude. Getting her where it's supposed to go?
It's going in. Okay, there we are. Finally.
Go zoom out. Which step are we on?
This one. The fuck am I supposed to be doing?
Looks like lining it up. What's it say? It says snap the brass sleeve on the left side of the X-axis timing belt into the extruder back support plate.
It's not just about the pictures, Henry. It's about reading the directions, too.
So we're plugging something in.
Well, snapping it together. It's just making sure that it's where it's supposed to be.
It is. I don't know what I'm supposed to be. It's on the rail. Like it should be.
Yeah, it's pointing at the... Here, it's pointing at that little... that gear point.
Oh, the centerpiece?
Mm-hmm.
It's saying I need to tighten it?
Timing. So snap the brass sleeve onto the left side of the X-axis timing belt into the extruder back support plate.
Oh, I see.
You see it now?
Yeah, you're supposed to take this and snap it into here. Somehow. What's it? What look? What they do with the? No.
Because they show it up here. Along this, like maybe into this slot.
Doubt it.
Like that? I think that's what it is.
Yeah, that's working. Nice.
All right. Yeah, because that's how it shows it in that little clip. And then it says, fix the x-axis passive block into the x-axis profile. Be careful not to screw it down and make sure that the x-axis passive block can slide along the x-axis profile. So, yeah.
Complicated machinery stuff.
That's complicated, yes. So this, you want it to be
I need this. Here. See?
Oh. Gotcha. Alright. So that goes on that end. But you don't want it too tight because otherwise it won't roll properly. So that slides in there.
I know how it slides in.
Yep, that direction.
I did it with another piece already.
Good job. Okay, cool beans.
It was the first piece.
That goes on the outside of it, yeah.
And then just... Essentially, I just don't want it too close to the bar. But also not too far away.
For that, you want to make sure tension's right.
I'm guessing this clips into the other side here.
That's what it shows. Gotta hold one and the other at the same time.
Do you need some help?
Am I your help?
That was the help before the film crew came.
I just stand here laughing. It's really. Do you need some help?
Yes.
Want to lend him a hand?
Right, what we doing?
Getting
need to
this
get
slid into the
this-
slot. How you got? See how this
little
one is slid
brass
in the slot?
guy.
So we've got to get the brass thing
Slid
there.
around
So
and
he's
on
got to kind of
here.
hold it, and then it
Okay.
stretches slightly,
What
but
do
you
we
don't
want?
want to stretch. He's just got to get it so it can get it in the slot.
You got her in there?
No.
Do you want my help to get her in the slot?
Yes, please.
Okay. Here, I will hand you.
I'm
that.
having major problems.
All right.
All right, is this, I want to make sure I put this on the right spot too. Yeah, that should be all right.
Maybe you should leave that one unhooked and then hook the other one in first.
No, this one's supposed to be hooked in first. According to instructions anyway. All right, keep that firm. I'm gonna do my best to try and slide it. Do we have like little pliers?
Yes.
Well, they're nippers.
Yeah, not, I don't want nippers, I want pliers. Because I've got some jeweling tools I could probably grab and get it so that where it's up where it needs to be. Give me one moment, let me go get what I need.
Give me a second.
I'm gonna do my slow shuffle upstairs.
Turn on my blinker.
Turn on your blinker. Okay, we've got that all aligned. Right? Sorry, I'm probably pushing on your fingers too. I grabbed the jeweling tools because I knew I could grab onto it without damaging it. Okay, let me face it towards me for a second here.
Oh.
A second. Oh, that's cutting it. That's not cool. Is there tension? Too much tension? Can you release the tension on that?
Wait.
Make sure that gets down below it. Oh, come on. I don't like that. You see how that's pulling? Let me take a look here for a second.
Is that supposed to be up there like that? Or should it be through here?
That's how it's supposed to be.
Is it supposed to be over? Let me look.
Here's Dave. It could probably go through here.
That's funny though, because it does show it coming down out of that space, so. That's why I'm.
It probably works either way though. Because either way, you're still getting the same results. Is it your bones? Don't kill somebody, Gavin.
Cause see, now there's enough that it goes through like it's supposed to. Might have to adjust this clamp on here too. But yeah, that. Yeah, it may show it coming down out of the block like that, but it doesn't line up if it is. Otherwise, it doesn't move freely.
It works.
Good. All right. I might have to take a jeweler's tool and adjust this a little bit on here to clip it at a better place.
Okay.
But I can do that after it's put together as well. So that way works good. All right. Next step. Yeah, it should roll freely. You can tighten that back down too.
Okay.
Hey, how's you looking? Beer? Video him. What's it say?
Push it to the right and tighten these screws. Okay, so it wants me to reapply tension using the circle here.
Mm-hmm. Suffocation, no breathing.
That's what I'm gonna do, Gavin, if he keeps heaving.
Uh-huh. Better?
Much better.
Yes. All right, next step. On this page here now, right? Or did we get all these?
Yeah, we got all those.
Now, looks like you're putting it on there. You also read what it says too.
I have to fit this on here. Ooh. Probably help if this was on the correct side. Pick up the thing. Pick this up.
Up? Oh, pick it up.
What am I picking up?
I need to get this back onto the other side so we can actually go up onto here. It has to go all the way up.
Got it?
Just a minute. We can probably just pull this out from there. After we get these clips off.
Nice, knots on the floor.
This needs to come around here.
Oh, it's on the wrong side.
There. Now I got a lot more to work with.
Yeah, otherwise it doesn't go all the way up. Yeah, Jim.
Yeah, this hole right here. Let's line up with this. This would be pointing downwards.
Mother.
Yeah, house. A little greasy rod.
A little greasy.
Yes. Twist the pole.
All right, how does it?
There. It's on.
Eccentric spacers on the left and the right need to be adjusted if the left and right passive blocks cannot get in. Oh, well, it fit right in, so I don't think you have an issue with that. You've got these lined perfectly, the side pieces.
I have to get these down farther so I can actually add the top bar, which is this.
Gotcha. Now let's see here. Align the T-nut with the T-rod. Hexagonal eccentric isolation column. You've got pieces on there. And this kind of shows it facing towards us rather than away, because it's facing away at the moment.
$35. We also need this little guy.
Mm-hmm. So you need 4 35s and the number 11. A number 11? Yeah, 2 number 11s. They're like end caps. The end caps are 11s.
Oh, that's right.
Profile covers.
What are the numbers?
Those are the 11s. Those are the profile covers. Okay, so there's your profile covers. The other ones are the what's the number of the other?
35.
35s. So 35s are the M5
X25.
I made 4 of those. Oops, I flipped ahead. Here's your screen squish. Yeah, you need it bigger.
Yeah, I think we actually did a really good job assembling this, though.
I suppose we'll find out.
Yet again, we also have to plug in all the electronics and stuff.
Yeah, we'll have to figure out how it needs to be homed and all that good
Probably in
jazz
the
too.
instructions too. How to.
We'll figure it out.
Some assembly required. We get extra parts.
The instructions aren't done yet.
No, they're not.
For all we know, some of those might even be extenders. Here again, we still gotta add the spool holder.
Mm-hmm. I think that's the next thing is the spool, adding the spool holder.
Yeah.
And then you have tighten the 2 retaining screws then also. It doesn't give an actual distance how far you're supposed to have it from the top.
It self-calibrates, you know that
Does it?
already. Somewhat, yeah.
Somewhat. Okay, next thing. All right. Now it looks like you're adding the spool holder, putting it together first. So you open it up and stick it on. All right, and key.
And this just attaches on somewhere.
Yeah, you need you need 33 and 29. So you've got the little
The 2 nuts.
2 nuts and 2 screws.
These 2. And then 2 little screws.
And the 29 with your 2 little screws, so. Let's see what 29 is. Right. 29 is. What is 29?
I'm 5x8.
Yeah.
Yep. Get a squirts.
And these attach to the top.
Where's the holes?
There are no holes.
What?
This one's a friction fit. That's
It's-
why these nuts are like this.
Oh, I see.
Because you need to get them up in there and turn them.
But how?
Oh, wait, no, you just put them right on here first.
And then they hold it on the top. So you put them in there, and then they hold them from the top. No, that goes the other direction.
No, this is right.
Nope, you're wrong.
Sure.
Yep. The bolt goes on top. The nut is what tightens it down to the rail on top.
That's the reason the top rail.
Yes. Yep, it gets locked into that top rail. So once you get it, and it does actually give it distance. Lovely.
Because you can put it wherever you want.
You got to work on your equipment wiring after you get that in place. It shows it facing towards the back as you have it, thank you. Yeah, that's how it shows it.
Yeah.
Finger taken first.
Hi. This is the print mat.
Oops.
Print mat. Down.
All right, now you got to work on your wiring. That's the next thing it's got. And then here, keep working on the rest of it, hon.
I'm making sure that the plate doesn't get lost.
Okay. So follow the yellow label on the 6-pin 4-wire port to connect to the X-axis stepper motor. This is going to be your first hookup. Yeah, you don't want that hitting your little thingy-majiggers. Get it past it. Okay.
This one can't go as close to the edge as the others.
We've got the cables there.
I believe that's the cooler. Honestly, I'm not sure.
All right, dude. All right, do the next bit. Did. Says follow the yellow label. You're doing the 6-pin to the 4 wires port to connect the X-axis stepper motor. So it shows your little stepper motor, what that looks like.
There's a bunch of these.
Uh-huh.
Here's a couple 6 pins.
6-pin 4 wires. So follow the yellow label.
These are both 6-pin 4-wire. Yellow label. This one's E, this one's X.
You're going to attach the X-axis to the stepper motor. This is what the stepper motor looks like.
That one. Which way around? Little things up?
Generally.
This doesn't look like that.
Yeah, it should be that little.
Yep, there.
Got it?
Yep.
Very good. All right, next thing is to attach follow the yellow label on the 6-pin 4-wire port to connect to the E-axis stepper motor.
think here's the E. I can't get it up there. Oh, does it go there?
Let me see.
Up here. Does it go to this one?
Mm-hmm.
Can I see?
Yeah, that's the one that it goes to. Because both of your Z-axis limit switch and your X-axis go up to that one. Let me see here.
Not enough range.
Just hold on. Let me see here. Because, yeah, you need to make sure that you can get that up there. Let me see here.
Here's the E.
Mm-hmm. Which goes onto this little guy. It's slippery.
Yeah, we need more length for
Mm-hmm.
these.
Yeah. Well, we open it up
Especially
and
if we're gonna
divide
start
it.
printing.
Yes. Don't worry. We'll get it hooked up and then we'll adjust the little wrap on there.
Not yet.
Because it just needs scooted back to allow it to move. I haven't ran enough machines to see it before. Got it going?
There's no oil on this part.
Oh, there you go. Okay.
There we are.
Is that in there the right way?
Yeah.
Okay. And then the next is going to be your display cable.
X.
No, display cable, it says is the next thing to do.
This one?
So then it's going to be the 6-pin 4-wire port with Z-axis stepper motor. I guess we'll put that one in there. Z-axis stepper motor?
ZX to step around.
Mm-hmm.
But this one's X.
Yep, Z-axis stepper motor.
Where's step motor?
Well, it shows each of these at these different points here, hun.
This here?
A3. Here, A3.
Here.
It's down on the bottom. Yeah.
It's in.
Okay. That's what we're doing wrong here. See where these are located? So this one is here. So you attached it down here. This actually goes up on that other, on that back side of that.
There we are.
Got it on the right one?
Yeah.
Let's turn this sideways. We're looking at this. Turn the whole
So
thing
now it'll
sideways.
go all the way up to the top.
Helps if you double check it with the diagram, not just the other pieces of it. Because you've got,
So this one here probably doesn't go down here.
because we've got this one on that one goes there, and that one
So
goes
this
on there.
X one probably doesn't go down here then. Probably goes up here somewhere.
Here, turn this whole unit sideways. That way we're looking at it just like we're looking at it here, okay? So this first one, the one that says A2, that goes on that piece.
What?
A2, if you look up here, A2 is going to be your E-axis stepper motor, which you've got on there, right? Get hung up in your work, don't you? Okay.
Yes, the E is there.
All right, and then we've got your A1 is attached to the bottom of this. You got that right?
It's X.
A1 is going to be your X-axis stepper, which you plugged into the bottom, correct?
X, yes.
Okay, yep, that's right then. And
This one doesn't belong down here, it belongs in
No.
here. Right
yes,
here.
correct. Yep, that X-axis one goes up in that space. Clips right in.
Yeah, it's in.
There we go. All right, next thing. All right, so then we've got.
Complex wiring.
Well, yeah, it's kind of has to be. All right, that covers. Now we've got your. You've got that one. We've put the B1 in because that's in that port. Then you've got your Z-axis.
Is that one this one?
You've got one that goes on one side,
This
one
one?
goes on the other. So your little B2
This one?
Z-axis,
Z.
the little squirt. One goes on one side, one goes on the other. So,
This one fits here.
and the other one goes on the opposite side. It shows it up here somewhere.
Another one on here.
Right here. It's underneath. And that laces in on that end. Is that right? Got it? All right, we'll come back to this in a moment, okay?